To determine the correct size, measure the shoe size. Remove the front shell. Do not remove the air bulb from the liner. Place the foot inside the soft liner, ensuring that the heel is all the way to the back of the walker. Make sure that the air bulb is aligned with the opening. Fasten ankle, foot, and calf straps in this order. Tighten the straps until they are snug and comfortable. Inflate the air chambers by pressing the plus sign on the air bulb. Deflate by pressing the minus sign. Inflate or deflate until snug. Caution, do not overinflate. The braces are designed for minimum maintenance and care. Follow these easy maintenance steps to keep the brace in good condition. Remove the liner from the walker before washing. The liner should be washed by hand using a mild detergent and 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit cold water. Do not use bleach or strong detergent. Do not wash in the washing machine or place in the dryer. Line dry in the shade. Walker plastic can be washed with a damp cloth and mild soap. Accessories are available to suit individual patient needs. Contact your local Össur customer service department or check out www.ossur.com for more information regarding accessories and replacement parts for the Rebound Air Walker.